So if you look at this final page, it just shows the layout of the 1 through 8 laid out. The piece of paper that you have a printed side and a blank side. If you keep the blank side down and just fold the paper in half, make a nice crease, open it up just so you can see, and then fold it back on itself for both sides so that the printed side is open. And it kind of makes this shape, nice crease. Do both sides of it. So you're kind of making from a side view the letter M or W, depending on which way you look at it. So the blank side was face down to start with, and then just fold the entire thing over just to get that center crease. So when I unfold it and open it up, hopefully you can see the panels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides to it. I'll flip it over, and right in the middle, in this case we'll just cut it, I'll just line it so you can see it a little better, and just lightly tear it. And when you grab it, you'll see that you have this little opening, and then just grab both sides, bend it, and then crease it all together, and you now end up with a small piece of paper that has 8 sides, or the equivalent of 8 pages. And then somehow, when you open it up, there's 2 sides at the top that will be folded, 2 that are torn, and all the bottom pages will have a torn edge. So I'm just trying to signify this by writing the numbers, and just using a serif font just so you can see it from all the sides, because a couple numbers like 6 upside down looks like a 9, and 8 upside down looks like an 8, but you're not sure which direction. So just kind of showing that, emphasizing that piece. And then putting a little line just at the bottom of the numbers, just so you know that that's the definite bottom direction, because you're trying to get the right angle for this. Okay. I'm also putting a little corner mark on the outside edge of the paper so I know where that piece is, and that's in case the drawing that you put in has to go from vertical to horizontal. So now when I open this up, I have all the pages, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It shows the outside edge on the bottom. When I open this up, it's kind of all splayed out, and you can see that the numbers are upside down and right side up. And that's when the piece is put together, you want to make sure that the images follow those numbers. That way it stays in order.